Hi, and welcome back. Today's video is all about versions. So first of all, let's go and navigate to the project that we just moved on. On the left-hand side, information, messages, and versions. In the versions area, this is where we store everything related to the artwork versions. So let's go ahead and add a new version. Make sure that the version status is in pending, and drag and drop or click and upload your files, clicking save. Once it's uploaded, you'll see that it's been given automatically a version number of 1.0. There's a little bit more detail here, so you can navigate back to create a new project from the version, see the original project it started from, or messages. You can also download the file. You can also have an in-window preview. Within the version section, you can also send messages specifically to that version, and a conversation can be started specifically on version 1.0. The message count also goes up. It's also where you give the version status of approved, rejected, required signature, or even pending. You have some options also within versions. You can send the files, so this is one way, request feedback, so get their responses and comments and approvals, or you can compare files. All of these are covered in other videos. So this is everything you need to know about your versions. Cheers, and have a good day.